Looked like he was on his phone. Don't know what he was holding up to his face. He's on his phone. Don't think I can safely get there. Phone or maybe some kind of electronica. Up over! GF12OJC, that was unreasonably close. He's got a whole lane to go in. And he quite clearly cut in on me, probably to teach me for riding in the middle of the lane, despite that being best cycling practice here.